shotgun in my class.
Yeah, I don't know why they did history in fourth. They didn't do history in fourth.
Of course, they would have given me Bible, English, math, physics. I don't need government. Go home.
You have to take government math.
Like, is it?
I've heard the same thing for the past 5 years.
You have to take it with your
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this equation and make it look like the ones we had yesterday so that then we can use that to graph the circles.
Do we need Bible to graduate?
Yeah, you do.
Here you do.
So,
Real life you don't.
all right, the first thing we're going to do is you don't want anything in front of x squared and y squared, so we're going to divide this entire equation by 2.
But we're not always going to be able to do that, are we?
Yeah, you are actually.
We are.
Whoa, no.
Is it always going to be 2? It can be
No, but it'll be like
5,
a,
6,
yeah.
20.
All right, so that's going to give us x squared minus 10x plus y squared plus 2y equals negative 36.
No, it equals negative 18.
Yep, thank you.
Turn over.
Next.
Okay, so now we're going to complete the square. You remember how to do
I
that?
don't know why that sounds familiar.
Because we did it with quadratic equations.
I don't
Oh,
like
it's
this.
just where you
Is
should
this
track the
the
y
is this
squared.
the third method we learned?
Yes.
I don't
The one
like
that's
this.
like infinite?
I don't like this.
All right, so we're going to we have to do it twice because we have to do it for x and for y. So, to do it for x, we're going to take whatever's in front of x, not x squared, whatever's in front of x, divide it by 2 and square it. And add that to both sides of our equation. So we're going to add negative 10 over 2 squared. We're also going to add it over here.
Oh.
Okay, then we're also going to do that.
Hold on.
With the 2y.
Yeah, we're going to do it with the 2y as well. So we're going to do 2 over 2 squared.
Bruh, you should have made room for that.
I did make room for that.
Well, we can't just move things around on our papers like you can on your
I
iPad.
left space.
No, you didn't, you liar. I'm sorry.
She left a
I
little
got,
bit
I
of
got
space.
a little carried away.
The plus sign could be a little bit more.
Did y'all see that Super Bowl commercial where that guy's in the Catholic church and he comes out like the confession box and he shuts the door? He's like, I'm sorry you didn't hear that.
Okay, so then on this part here, so remember we have like a shortcut, right? Where this becomes, so like x and then whatever you have here without squaring it. So like negative 10 divided by 2 is what?
-5.
So like you can instantly write it like that.
Foil?
No.
Hold
Alright.
up.
So we're doing a shortcut. All right,
How do you get negative 5?
negative 10 divided by 2.
And then,
I'm not worried about the square.
where'd the negative 10x go?
It's gone.
It's
Basically, we factored this, but I'm doing it with a shortcut. I'm saving you time.
Oh, bongos.
I mean, your other option is like, don't worry about writing this down. So then,
Oh, bless.
so normally you get that, but then that factors to x minus 5 and x minus 5, which writes as x minus 5 squared. I'm just showing you the shortcut.
Okay. Oh, this is where like the 2 on the sides have to equal the 25, but they also have to
Yes.
add up to the one in the middle.
Yeah.
I hated this.
Yeah, but the whole reason that we're completing the square is because like it's going to work out evenly so you get the same thing. All right, so then now for the y's, 2 divided by 2 is what?
1.
1. So then we have y plus 1 squared. Now, on the right side of the equal sign, you are going to actually have to like work out that green and yellow part. So like we have negative 18 plus 25 plus 1. So then we have x minus 5 squared plus y plus 1 squared. So then you get equals 8. So, does this look familiar from what we did yesterday?
No.
Yes.
Right, so now we have an equation of a circle that we can graph.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's what we did yesterday.
I can't.
Where it's like, so
put
it's
this today.
negative 5 plus 1,
So that means your center is at,
negative 5.
How come
No,
on the
5,
left
negative
side,
1.
10 over 2 squared is 5, but on the right
Yeah,
side,
'cause-
10 over 2 squared is 25?
it's not. I skipped a step over here.
Of course you did.
Well, remember she wrote it out for us. and
I
showed
did.
it to us in the blue.
Okay, so
What
it's
blue?
negative 10
But she
divided by
erased
2,
it.
which would be negative 5, but negative 5 squared is positive 25.
Right, and then I factored x squared minus 10x plus 25 to get x minus 5 and x minus 5, which becomes x minus 5 squared. So, like, instead of having to, like, write that out, factor it, put it squared, every single time you complete the square, whatever you have inside the parentheses, so, like, negative 10 over 2, negative 5, like, it's always going to work out like that. So, like, 2 over 2 gave me that 1. On the right side, I actually have to, like, work it out and square it, so that way I can get a number over here.
Oh my gosh. This is horrible. Oh, shoot, I swear this is my dad's oops. It's,
Suck on it. You got salsa on it?
no, I got pen on it.
So, for A,
Oh no, I need you to go back. I'm sorry.
hold on here. So, for A, you have, like, x squared plus 2x plus y squared minus 4y equals 4. So you like have to complete the square with this part and then complete the square with this part.
Oh, so it's like 2 over 2, negative 4.
Yes.
Gotcha.